just want to encourage somebody this evening. Psalm 40 verse 3 says, and he has put a new song in my mouth, even praise unto our God. And it says, and many shall see it and fear. Many will trust in the Lord. I just want to use a couple of minutes to encourage somebody who is going through something. God is saying, no matter what you're going through, that He desires to put a new song in your mouth. A song that many will hear and fear the Lord. Those who have given up on you will see and hear your song, and they will fear and then put their trust in God. I don't know what you're going through. Are you going through depression? Are you going through depression? Are you going through heartache? Are you going through separation? Are you going through a hard time that only you understand? God says He wants to put a new song in your mouth, even to praise unto our God, and that many will see it and fear and put their trust in the Lord. This is His desire for you. He doesn't want to see you go through what you're going through. He's not happy seeing you go through what you're going through. He wants to put a new song in your mouth. And He has asked me to tell you that if only you will open your heart, if only you will believe that your new song is about to come. Your new dawn is about to break. Your new day is about to break. Your new page is about to open. A new chapter of life is about to be opened for you. Because all this while He keeps a book of remembrance for you. He says He will put a new song in your mouth, even praise unto our God, and that many shall see it and fear and will put their trust in God. What are you going through? The Lord is talking to you. When the oceans rise and thunders roll, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you're king over the floor. I will be still, knowing I will be still, Let this song be your prayer now as we worship, because this is the prelude to your new song. This is the prelude to your new day. This is the prelude to your new beginning. Whatever you are going through, your depression will be gone. Your heartache will be healed. Your tough time will be gone. As we sing this song, as we worship together, as we sing this prelude to your new beginning, sing it and pour out your heart to God, and your new dawn will come, and your new dawn will come. And song in your mouth.